This is the first of my series that is going to have everything to do with what I'm doing abroad. I guess we can call it my education abroad series. What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are packing. Again, I've done a packing video before, but not like this. So if you're new here, new to my channel, just clicked on this video. My name is Mereyah. I am a fourth year senior at Texas A&M University, and I'm studying abroad this semester. Yeah, we're super excited. I'm going to Italy. This is the first of my series that is going to have everything to do with what I'm doing abroad. I guess we can call it my education abroad series. So since I'm going to be gone for a whole entire semester, I have to pack. I leave in like 4 days. It's just a crazy time. And for the series, I'm going to be taking you guys through everything I learned, everything that's going on with study abroad. I really want to give you guys like an inside look at like what study abroad's really like. So if you're considering study abroad, or if you've always just kind of wondered what that actually looks like, I got you. Today I'm faced with the task, the large unknown task, packing for 3 months. So I'm going to be in Italy officially from February 4th to May 3rd. I'm super excited about it, but it's also a super daunting task to pack for 3 months when I've never been to Europe. I've never packed for this long amount of a time. Not even for like a month have I ever packed. So this is just a very interesting territory, and having to think about all of these different things that I might need. But I think I finally got everything. I just need to put everything together. So that's what we're doing right now. I'm gonna get it out of the way so I don't even have to think about it anymore, because I'm going to stress myself out. So just for some preliminary information, I'm checking 2 big size luggage bags, luggages, suitcases. See, this is why I don't even need to be going to another country, because I just don't even know. I'm checking 2 large suitcases, and then I'm taking a backpack with me. The backpack's gonna act as my carry-on, my school backpack, and everything that I need that's not luggage. Obviously my luggage will just hold literally everything else. So I actually pretty much have one of my suitcases packed pretty much already with a lot of my clothes in it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I'm kind of taking there. There it is. Okay, what's going on here? Oh, this is a suitcase that I've already kind of packed. I'm gonna open it and show you guys what's in it. Okay, so I realized it would be actually easier to show you guys everything in the suitcase with it on the ground. So here we go. On top, I have this puffer jacket. I'm actually bringing 4 different coats with me. I had that on top covering pretty much all of my sweaters. So I just took everything from that side out so I could show you guys actually what I'm taking. I'm trying not to take a lot, so this is what I have. This cardigan right here, a couple of sweaters. These are like pretty much the same type of sweater. Notice how everything is very neutral. I got this one as well. This is like a longer one that you could wear with leggings. And then this is one that I just had in my closet as well. A lot of this stuff I already had. I really only tried to buy stuff that I absolutely like did not have in my closet and that I would absolutely need like upon getting there. Since I have to pack so light, like I'm trying to pack like super light because my suitcases have weight limits obviously, and I think it's like 50 pounds. And if you watch my other pack with me video when I packed for New York City, I confessed that I am a notorious overpacker. So this is like a really big deal for me to like strategically try and figure all this stuff out, because I do plan on like shopping a little bit while I'm there, and I'm sure that there are things that I'll see that I want to buy. So I don't want to overpack now and then be in a pinch later. So I have this sort of sweater and then this one as well, just things that I can use all the time. And literally these are the only sweaters, like long sleeve things that I'm bringing. And then I have other like tops and stuff to wear as well. Over here we have my jackets. So I am bringing this one. I have 2 blazers here as well. So I'm just gonna put all this stuff back in my suitcase. So this is the other side of my suitcase. I don't know like how much this weighs right now, but I'm gonna walk you guys through what this is. So I have 3 dresses that I'm bringing. Like this is like a frilly one, a tight one, and then I think I'm going to take this one too, because I'm gonna go to Spain and I just feel like this is a Spain dress. I feel like this is also an Italy dress too. 2 skirts, 3 dresses, and then I have some like casual tops, like going out tops. For jeans, I'm taking 2 regular pairs of jeans and 2 black jeans. So that's 4 pairs of jeans plus 1 pair of pants, which is like a checkered pair of pants that I have packed right here. Then I have all my layering tops are right here. So like here are crop tops that I could wear with anything, thermals, layering things that I could wear with jeans, with skirts, under things, because I am going to Italy during prime winter time. I'm coming back at the beginning of May, so it's not ever gonna get super, super warm. I just don't want to overpack. This is my workout stuff, but I think I might try and put some of it into this packing cube. I'm just afraid of my luggage getting lost. For now, putting all my leggings, all my athletic leggings, and all of my like athletic bottoms into this packing square. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of leggings that I can just wear to work out or for lounge. She's really kind of thick. This is probably like 7 pounds. Well, hopefully they don't turn me away. And all of this is just like undergarments, underwear, bras, stuff like that. I might be done. Like, I don't really think I should put any more into this. My other one is gonna have my shoes, toiletries, maybe some loungewear. This one should be good. Had to take a little bit of a hiatus, but we're back. We're booming. I packed up my entire first suitcase. This one is going to be a challenge. These are like the things that like are my shoes and like random stuff that isn't like my main stuff that I'm gonna wear. This is the stuff that I'm like, do I actually need it? We're just gonna figure it out right now because I truly have no choice. So like I was telling you guys, this is the suitcase that I'm putting all my shoes in. I'm putting my accessories in here. My last coat is coming in here. I feel like I'm gonna get comments that say that I don't need all these coats, and you're probably right. Starting with the shoes, I'm taking these. These are gonna be like my everyday sort of shoes that go with everything. And then I'm also taking their sisters. I'm bringing these rain boots. If I go somewhere where there's like moderate snow too, it'll be good to have those. Scratch that. I think I'm gonna wear these on the plane because they're heavier. I'm taking these, which are like my everyday walking pairs of shoes, and then I'm also taking my running shoes. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of shoes. Getting some progress on here. Here we have a bunch of my electronics, and I don't really have a place to put them yet. A lot of this stuff will also go in my carry-on. I think especially for like the film and stuff, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in this backpack and then pack the backpack in there. Okay, this is the packing situation with this suitcase. This is what everything looks like. There's the backpack filled with the stuff. My walking shoes. I decided that instead of those knee highs, I'm gonna take a pair of Adidas, and I need to put them in there. These are a bunch of just hats and other accessories that I feel like would be beneficial to take. And here is like pretty much like my medicine bag. So I have cough drops, just like a bunch of different things, vitamins, contact solution, and then I'm so extra, so I'm bringing my bar soap, and I just put that in one of these little Lulu bags. This one is also more toiletries. This has like medicine, teeth whitener in this very convenient little case. At the bottom of this, I have a scarf. Here is like scrunchies. This is also my shower cap. And here I have leisure wear, so I have 2 pairs of joggers in here, and I think a sweatshirt, like the one sweatshirt besides the one that I'm wearing that I'm taking. Honestly, I think I'm done. I need to snag that and put it on there. Oh my gosh, this is like heavier than the other one. Quite literally so scared that either of them are going to be over the weight limit. I do kind of want to pack up my carry-on really quick for you guys. I can't completely fill these right now because there's just everyday things. Because there's just everyday things I'm just gonna add when it gets closer to the trip. So my laptop goes in this side pocket. There's a bunch of other pockets. I went through this in my other vlog. There's my camera, there's my charger, my passport. Probably won't stay there just because I don't really trust it there. I'll probably end up putting it in this bag. It's just like, I feel like safer. So I'm allowed to have a carry-on, which this is technically the carry-on, and then personal item, which is this bag, which I'm also going to be using all throughout Europe as well. Everything is just very practical. Black, it's low-key, it's waterproof. I don't want to like attract too much attention, but like this bag is going to hold a lot. So if there's ever a day that I don't want to take my other backpack or this backpack, which is pretty big, I can just take this, and like this will hold a bunch of my cameras. This has my planner in it right now. Yeah, that's pretty much my carry-on and my personal item for that as far as I can go right now. So as I kind of touched on before, I'm going to Italy for 3 months. It's 90 days exactly, I'm pretty sure, and that's to make sure that we didn't have to get a visa. So my program is through Texas A&M. It's through the Education Abroad office at Texas A&M, and I applied through the university and everything like that. My program is a semester-long program. It's faculty-led. I think it's actually 12 weeks. I'm gonna make another video kind of hashing out all of the details. But for now, I'm glad that I was able to share with you guys how I packed everything. There are little things here and there that I haven't packed yet, of course. They're just day-to-day things. If you guys would like to follow along, there's gonna be a lot of fun stuff coming up. I really want, like I said earlier, to give you guys like an insight of like how study abroad actually is. So if you're interested or any of that intrigues you or entices you, please subscribe and also follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna be posting a ton on there. I'm so excited to be taking all the fun photos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions or share your study abroad experiences down below. I would love to hear because I'm just really getting excited about all of this. As always, if you vibe, subscribe, and I hope to see you guys back on my channel for my next one. Bye.